AI proxy from tool to digital employee. When you are still processing orders manually at 3 a.m., someone has already used AI proxy clones to complete a week's work. When you are crazy because of IP blocking, AI proxy is automatically bypassing risk control to capture data through the global residential IP pool. This is not a science fiction movie. In 2024, AI proxy is reshaping business rules. Today, we will use a practical article to tell you how to make this invisible employee create 10 times the value for you. 1. What is AI proxy? AI proxy ordinary automation script. It is an intelligent entity that can perceive, make decisions, and execute autonomously. It can split tasks, pull tools, learn optimization, and even collaborate with other AIs like humans. The brain is equivalent to a large language model, such as GPT-4, to provide logical reasoning capabilities. The eyes are equivalent to computer vision to recognize image, video content. The hands and feet are equivalent to RPA, robotic process automation, to perform specific operations. The armor is equivalent to LunaProxy residential proxy IP, to hide the real track and avoid anti-crawling risks. Let's transform your vision into reality together. Join us on the journey towards sustainable success, your partner in achieving a better tomorrow.